Are you ready to experience extreme miracles before Christmas? Picture this: before the holiday season hits, your life could shift in ways you never thought possible. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's a powerful reality that you can manifest right now. Don't wait any longer. The universe is waiting to deliver the miracles you deserve. It's time to tap into the magic of subliminal manifestation and unlock the life-changing opportunities that are headed your way. Subliminal messages are the hidden keys to unlocking the life you've always dreamed of. Unlike conscious thoughts that we are fully aware of, subliminal messages work directly with your subconscious mind. They bypass your logical mind, planting seeds of change deep within. This means that while you're going about your day, the universe is working overtime to align your energy with the miracles you're calling in. To manifest extreme miracles, you need to train your subconscious to believe in the abundance and opportunities that await you. By consistently using subliminal techniques, whether through affirmations, audio tracks, or visual cues, you start reprogramming your brain to attract wealth, love, and success effortlessly. These messages plant the idea that anything is possible, even in the most unlikely situations, ensuring that you're always in the right place at the right time for your miracle to unfold. Subliminals work by repeating positive affirmations, often beneath the level of conscious awareness. This steady repetition reprograms your thought patterns, encouraging you to believe that miraculous transformations are already underway. It's time to tune into these messages and allow them to work on your behalf. What you focus on expands, and with subliminals, you can focus on nothing but success and miracles. Manifesting extreme miracles is about aligning your energy with the incredible possibilities the universe is offering. Your energy is a magnet, attracting experiences, people, and opportunities that resonate with the frequency you emit. If you want miracles to enter your life, you need to ensure your energy is vibrating at a level that matches those miracles. Start by cultivating a mindset of gratitude. When you practice gratitude daily, you shift your frequency to one of abundance. You begin to attract everything from new opportunities to unexpected financial windfalls. Your thoughts, words, and actions should all reflect an openness to receiving miracles. Every time you feel negative or doubtful, shift your thoughts to what you're grateful for. This simple act will immediately boost your energy and get you into alignment with the miracles you seek. Another way to align your energy is by visualizing your ideal life. Picture the miracles you want in vivid detail. Feel the emotions of already having them. When you visualize with intense emotion, you create a powerful energy field that sends out a signal to the universe. This signal tells the universe that you are ready and deserving of receiving extraordinary miracles before Christmas. Trust that the universe is already orchestrating these events and is simply waiting for you to align with it. By combining gratitude, visualization, and alignment, you create a powerful energy field that magnetizes the miracles you seek. Believe in your worthiness and the universe will respond accordingly. To manifest extreme miracles, it's essential to clear any blocks standing in your way. These blocks can come from limiting beliefs, past experiences, or subconscious fears, and they act as barriers between you and your dreams, stopping the miracles from flowing into your life. It's time to confront and remove them so your energy can flow freely. Begin by identifying the beliefs that hold you back. Are there stories you've been telling yourself about why you can't have the life you desire? Perhaps you've been taught that miracles are reserved for a select few or that you have to work hard for everything. These beliefs limit your capacity to receive. Challenge these beliefs by questioning their truth and replacing them with empowering thoughts that invite abundance and miracles into your life. Next, release any past wounds or negative emotions. Emotional baggage from past experiences can prevent you from fully opening up to new blessings. Practice forgiveness, both of yourself and others. By forgiving, you let go of the weight that's been holding you back, and you make space for the miraculous to come in. The more you heal emotionally, the more you clear the path for extreme miracles to enter your reality. Let go of the need to control every outcome. Trust the process and allow the universe to surprise you. The more you surrender, the quicker the miracles will manifest. Miracles don't happen on our timetable. They happen according to divine timing. One of the most challenging aspects of manifesting extreme miracles is learning to trust that they will arrive exactly when they're meant to. The universe works in mysterious ways, and sometimes the timing doesn't align with our desires. But that doesn't mean miracles aren't on their way. Trust that the universe is always working for your highest good, even when things seem to be moving slowly. Sometimes it's necessary for certain events to unfold in a specific order for the miracle to have the greatest impact on your life. Patience and trust are essential when you're manifesting miracles. Instead of worrying about when it will happen, focus on taking inspired action, remaining open to new possibilities, and staying aligned with your vision. Like if you're feeling anxious about when your miracles will arrive, remind yourself that the universe's timing is always perfect. It's easy to feel like you're waiting, but the truth is the universe is setting the stage for your miracles to appear. The more trust you have in this process, the more quickly your desires will manifest. Positive affirmations and visualization are incredibly powerful tools when it comes to manifesting extreme miracles. These techniques send out strong vibrations to the universe, signaling your readiness for miracles. Affirmations help you align your thoughts with your desires, and visualization creates a mental image of what you want to attract. To manifest extreme miracles before Christmas, start by creating affirmations that reflect your desired outcome. Repeat these affirmations daily, feeling the truth of them in your body and soul. For example, say, "Miracles are flowing into my life right now and I am ready to receive them." As you say these words, feel the energy of abundance and magic surrounding you. The more you believe in the affirmations, the more they will become your reality. Visualization works hand in hand with affirmations. Picture yourself living the life you desire, surrounded by all the miracles you've asked for. The more detailed and vivid your visualization, the stronger the energy behind it. As you visualize, make sure to feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, and excitement. These feelings will amplify the energy and speed up the manifestation process. Manifestation is not just about thoughts and feelings, it also requires action. Taking inspired action is a key component of manifesting extreme miracles. Inspired action comes when you're aligned with your desires and the universe presents an opportunity for you to act. It's not about force or effort. It's about flowing with the current of possibility that the universe presents. And to take inspired action, be open to the opportunities that come your way. If a new idea or opportunity presents itself, don't hesitate, take action. This could be something as simple as signing up for a course, making a phone call, or stepping into a new role that feels right for you. The universe will send you signs in the form of inspired thoughts and actions. Trust and act on them. By consistently taking inspired action, you send the universe a message that you are ready to receive your miracles. The more action you take, the faster the miracles will manifest. Keep in mind that the universe is a co-creator in this process, and it needs your active participation to deliver the results. When manifesting extreme miracles, patience and faith are key ingredients to success. It's easy to become frustrated if things don't happen as quickly as you expect, but the universe has its own timeline, and learning to trust it is essential for the process. Manifesting miracles is a journey of surrender, and sometimes that means letting go of control and simply trusting that everything is working out for your highest good. Understand that the universe works in mysterious and magical ways. Just because you don't see immediate results doesn't mean that your miracles aren't on their way. It's important to hold faith that the universe is aligning everything perfectly for you. During this waiting period, stay focused on keeping your energy high and aligned with your desires. Patience doesn't mean inactivity. It means staying in alignment and trusting that your desires are being prepared for you. As you practice patience, know that it's not just about waiting, it's about preparing yourself to receive. Miracles don't come because you want them, they arrive because you believe they are already yours and you trust that they will show up in the perfect way. Use this time to nurture yourself, maintain a positive mindset, and be open to all forms of abundance. Gratitude is one of the most powerful forces in the universe. When you express genuine gratitude for everything you have, you raise your vibration and send out a signal to the universe that you are ready to receive more. Miracles are drawn to gratitude like a magnet. The more grateful you are, the more you attract. Start each day by reflecting on the things you're thankful for, whether it's your health, your family, or even the small victories throughout your day. As you express gratitude, visualize the miracles you're manifesting and feel the gratitude for them as if they've already arrived. This simple but powerful practice aligns your energy with abundance and opens the door for miracles to flow in. Keep in mind that gratitude isn't just a feeling, it's a state of being. Live with an attitude of gratitude and watch how your life starts to shift in miraculous ways. When you express thankfulness for everything you currently have, you tell the universe that you're ready for more. By the time Christmas arrives, you'll be astounded by how much you've attracted into your life. The people you spend time with, the media you consume, and even the environment you place yourself in all affect your energy and mindset. If you want to manifest extreme miracles, it's crucial to surround yourself with positive energy and remove anything that drains your vibrational frequency. Start by eliminating negative influences from your life, whether it's toxic relationships, self-limiting beliefs, or even negativity in the media. Cleanse your environment of anything that doesn't support your growth. Fill your space with positivity, whether that's uplifting music, inspirational books, or people who encourage your dreams. When you surround yourself with high vibrational energy, you make it easier for miracles to find their way to you. Create a nurturing environment that aligns with your goals and desires. Spend time in nature, meditate, or engage in activities that make you feel good. Surrounding yourself with positive energy enhances your ability to manifest, allowing the miracles you desire to appear effortlessly. The more you focus on maintaining a high vibrational energy, the more you'll see miracles start to unfold in your life. The final step in manifesting extreme miracles before Christmas is to let go and allow the miracles to flow to you. You've done the inner work, you've aligned your energy, and you've asked the universe for what you want. Now it's time to release any attachment to the outcome and trust that everything is coming together in divine timing. Letting go means you are no longer trying to control how or when your miracles will appear. The universe has its own plan, and sometimes the miracles that arrive may be even greater than you could have imagined. Trust the process and allow miracles to flow effortlessly into your life. When you stop worrying or overthinking, the universe can deliver your desires more freely. It's important to recall that manifestation is not a one-time event. It's a continual flow. Even after Christmas passes, you'll continue to manifest miracles in abundance by maintaining your connection to the universe. Every moment is an opportunity for a new miracle to appear. By staying in a state of receiving and belief, you open yourself up to miracles that are beyond your wildest dreams. Your time is now. Don't wait for miracles to find you. Take control of your life and manifest them before Christmas. By applying these powerful manifestation techniques, you'll be amazed by the miracles that appear in your life in the coming days. Trust the process, stay aligned with your desires, and allow the universe to deliver what you deserve. If you're ready to step into a life filled with miracles, like and subscribe to continue receiving tips and powerful techniques to manifest the life you've always wanted. Let's make this Christmas the most magical one yet.